Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try to do kind of a vintagey look flower, I will say, kind of. I chose for my background titanium white, and I mixed a little bit of, I'm trying some new paints today, Rosa Gallery blue porcelain, so it will be kind of a porcelain look, I think. And I have Naples rose and Venetian rose from the same, and I have abstract Venetian pink too, because they are different. And I have my Mieri primary alizarin crimson, and of course my pearl white. You see, those are Venetian pink and rose, and they are different. So my pearl white, of course, it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white Amsterdam, and my pouring medium. And I already put my base coat down. Just basically pour your base paint on your canvas. And I will start with some pearl white. And this lighter one, Naples rose or whatever. And some pearl white again. And the one from the Venetian. The other one. Wow, this one is a little thicker, I think. Different brands, different, feel, or how can I say? I'm used to Amsterdam paints, and some other paints are just different. Alizarin crimson. Okay. I hope that I will get some lacing too, because I don't know with those colors. And I will grab a skewer, and then I will turn around my cup once more to do some more layers. Just to do the first kind of petal look. I don't know. So let's turn this for one. Okay, and I will drag these petals too towards the sides, not towards the middle. You get some different, you know, effects. Okay, let's remove this cup and look. I will just drag with my finger a little of this paint towards the middle. I will spray my paper napkin with water. I like to do that. You don't need to. You can use just dry one or plastic or whatever suits you better. And now place this down nicely. And just make sure that your napkin touches your paint all over. My middle. Like it, but not a lot of lacing. We will see. We will wait a second, torch it and wait for a second. I want it to be soft, but maybe I didn't think that it will be so soft. I will just pour some of my background color around to smooth it out a little bit. And while I'm doing that, the flower will develop, so it will level out. This background, it is self-leveling, but just to help it a little bit and to have your sides covered and everything. So, and even though that it's quite a lot of paint here, I don't have problems with cracking with my pouring medium, so I'm pretty sure that I will be fine. And at this point you can spin it out if you think that you want to, but I like that there is quite some negative space, so I will leave it. I'll just torch my background. Wow. Wow. I really, really love it. So here is a close-up. Oh. So here it is. Love it. So soft and so beautiful. I love it. I was afraid that the lacing will not came through, but it is, and I'm so happy. Because I was going for some kind of vintage look, and I think that I managed to get it. Wow, love it. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one.